So we're doing a garlic rub on the pork. It shouldn't be. Yeah. Good. Pork. What we're gonna do is this pork. This pork. What are we gonna do with this pork? That's exactly what we're trying to. Salt, pepper.
This would be good.
What's that?
I love that.
Oh yeah. I might as well promote grace. Grace. But promote grace. I can't. It's hard to hold stuff with your left hand.
Ambidextrous.
Yeah. Okay, got it. I got it. You want help? Like I was gonna get some help. So,
Just want to cook. Here.
Alright, thank you. Add some paprika to this? Or?
I think that's what you're going
Chile with this, probably. That looks good already. Let's get this here. Good meat. Let's go.
Yeah, so right here we're trying to get that good sear in. Yeah, look at that meat. Oh boy. Good stuff right here. Salt, pepper, and chili. Give it that sear. Let it sear in. And after that, we'll just come out with the aluminum foil. Get that steam. Make that pork soft. Trust me, this is one delicious dish.
I'm gonna do a sweet chili sauce. Pork with sweet chili sauce. Just doing something right now. A little bit of salt. So right here we add the remaining of the sweet chili sauce. You know, so we leave it open, put it in the oven for about 10 minutes in order for it to soak up that lovely sweet chili sauce, because it's really good. And another thing, we'll be starting our meal prep delivery in the second week in February. And you'll be able to see the menu on the website and further information on how to order. Soft, nice.
Nice.
support Kingdom Catering Group. Boy Chef Chris and Jay down in Charlotte representing your serve CLT.